In this tutorial, we're going to be working with a new example. So let's go ahead and read the example at first. Here we have part B. On another set of axes, sketch the graphs of y equal to half to the power x and y equal to 2 to the power x. So let's go ahead and talk about these two at first. For the first one, we have our base equal to half, 1 over 2, and the second one, the base is equal to 2. So let's go ahead and find a connection between both of these so that it would be easier for us to understand the concept of these two exponential functions and talk about their relation and compare them to each other by the end of this tutorial. So for the first one, y equal to 2 to the power x, we have worked with this example multiple times. We have talked about its particular points and how for every value of x we have found its relative value of y. So I'm going to show you now how we can find the values of this one right here, y equal to half to the power x, from the original one, y equal to 2 to the power x. If you take a closer look, actually, here we have y equal to 2 to the power x. But if we were to find the reciprocal of this function, the reciprocal of 2 to the power x, starting from half to the power x, it is basically 1 over 2 to the power plus 1 all to the power x. So in such case, if we were to take this 2 to the power 1 up to the numerator, we will be writing its reciprocal. So it's going to be 2 to the power minus 1 all to the power x. And so basically, this is the complete opposite of 2 to the power x, since we have 2 to the power minus x. And so when we're talking about half to the power x, it is basically 2 to the power minus x. And so in such case, if you had y equal to 2 to the power x, for x equal to 3, we substituted in 2 to the power minus x. And so in such case, for every value of x, you have value of y. And notice that here it is the complete opposite, which actually creates some sort of reflection between both of these curves. And you're going to actually get to see that once we sketch them. Here, sketching y equal to 2 to the power x, we are currently familiar with this curve right here. We have been working with it for the past couple of videos. Now, sketching the other one, y equal to half to the power x, starting from left to right, x equal to minus 3, y is equal to 8. And for also the other values, when x was equal to minus 2, y was equal to 4. When x was equal to minus 1, y was equal to 2. And of course, the point x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 axes, we had when x was equal to y was equal to 0.5, x was equal to 2, y was equal to 0.25. And for the final point, when x was equal to 3, y was equal to 0.125. Now connecting the points, we now finally have both of our curves, the one for 2 to the power x and for the one for half to the power x. You can straight ahead notice how the horizontal axis is acting as an asymptote for both curves and how each curve is reflecting the other one on the other side of the vertical axis. And so basically that would be all for this tutorial.